and welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing well. I'm just coming on here quickly to show you a pair of shoes that a company has sent me. The company's name is 7 or 9 and they have sent me the Mermaid shoes. So I just wanted to share this because it is perfect for a bridal wear and I am in my bridal era as of this moment. This is the box that the shoes came in. Has a nice strap here. I guess if you're shopping, you can just put it over your shoulder, no bag needed, which is awesome. To open this box, there is a flap right here, and inside it looks like this. So it comes with these jewels that you can put on the shoes. It shows you here all the different placements that you can put this buckle on, which is amazing because that can dress up your shoe. If you're going out for a more formal wear, that would be good to wear it with, or if you can just wear them plain. It comes with this, shows you other shoes that they have. They also have boots. And then if you're wondering what shoe size you are, you can use this chart. Show you inside. They both come in dust bags. I think these are just so lovely. Like, this is perfect for bridal wear, honestly. It's got a very shimmery fabric finish. And the inside is super squishy. Like, I don't know if you can see on the camera, but there is squishy material underneath that will make it easier to walk in. I find that a lot of shoes don't have much padding and it hurts when you walk in them. So the bottom, I love this design here. The ribbon here for their logo, which is the same one that's on the box, which is really cute. And it said made in the moon, so which I think is kind of cute. Inside on the top toe box here, there is squishy padding inside. So it's very hard to show on camera, but you can see in here, there's padding inside there and it goes all the way. And that's just extra comfort. I love that. I do not have any pair of heels that have the same amount of cushion as these heels do. Right foot, the design inside here is on the right side and then on the other side, and the soles are the same. So these buckles, they just slide right in. You could either wear this in the back, but I think that's too big, or even if you want to wear them on the side, but again, I don't like that. It looks too big for my liking. So I would put them over here, the front. So what you're gonna wanna do is press the clip part down. It is metal. You can always shape it back. And there you have it. So now the shoe looks like a totally different shoe. It's got more glam. It's definitely good for an elegant formal event. Could wear this to, I would say, the ballet. I think would be a perfect place to wear these. Like, I just love the look of that. Like, it's just so elegant. You can take it off or put it on. So these are so cute. I will for sure be wearing these at one point. Even if it's not for bridal season, I could wear these at any other special event. This would look great with a black dress, a white dress, a silver dress. It just goes with a lot of basics, which is really nice. All right guys, so that is the end of this video. I hope that you enjoyed it. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and notification bell so you're aware of when I upload my next video, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.